Google Fiber promises blazing fast internet with simple pricing and no hidden fees. But does it really live up to the hype? Let's break down the pros and the cons. First, as far as speed, Google Fiber delivers up to 8 gigabits per second, and in select areas, of course, making it one of the fastest ISPs available. Streaming, gaming, and large file transfers virtually lag-free. Next, you got pricing. Plans are straightforward with no data caps and equipment like the router included. Installation is typically smooth and users praise consistency of service once it's up and running. Now, finally, you've got customer satisfaction. Many customers say the support is quick and knowledgeable, which isn't always the case with large ISPs. The biggest downside, availability. Google Fiber is still rolling out and is only in select US cities, and if it's not in your area, well, you're out of luck. Another con is price compared to standard cable. While fair for the speeds offered, lighter internet users may find a cheaper option elsewhere. So, is Google Fiber worth it? If you can get it, and you want ultra-fast, reliable internet with simple pricing, absolutely. But for now, availability remains its biggest barrier. Would you switch if it came to your city? Let me know in the comments below. What plan are you on right now? Also, like this video if you liked it, subscribe for more awesome content, and let us know what you want to see from us reviewed next. I love you, and I'll catch you in the next one.